All right, so Rohan, thank you. This document actually came through, which is very good. And this is a short video to I'm needing you to elaborate on question number 7 and quite a bit more. So I want you to write a complete SMART goal. So that's the specific, the measurable, the attainable, the realistic, and then also the time. And within this particular statement, you're just indicating that you want to graduate from high school with a 4.0 GPA, which is great, and that you want to go to Texas. But so what's your timeline? What are the steps you're going to take in order to get this 4.0 GPA? So if I go back to the this is the info document that came along with that PowerPoint presentation that I have in Power School Learning. It's called Setting Financial Goals info sheet. And this particular document kind of dives in a little bit more on what each one of these acronyms or what each one of these mean. So specific, you've stated that you want to, and this indicates money, and I'm okay that you're indicating that you want for school or for grades or things like that. That's fine. So the specific, and you've already kind of stated that you want to have a 4.0 GPA so that you can go to Texas. Great. Measurable. So, and measurable is there. You've got the measurable because you want it to be a 4.0. The attainable piece is what's missing. So create a step-by-step plan outlining exactly how you might reach that goal. Now, I don't need every single step, but I need more than what you've given me. And the realistic, are there any trade-offs and opportunity costs so that you're going to, study for 10 hours and not, go out with your friends, or, you're going to come to school early so that, to work maybe with a teacher assistant or with a tutor. So that means that you're not going to, get as much sleep as normally you might, something like that. And then the time bound. You are missing the time. So I understand that you're a junior, so you want to accomplish this by, within the next year. All right, so coming back to your assignment, if you just retype up number 7 for me. I don't need anything else. You don't need to redo this document. But if you redo number 7 and then just attach it back in the messages, that will work for you in order to get a complete, or for this assignment to be collected. And this one is an important assignment, so I am needing you to do it. Thank you very much.